Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Spend 30 minutes daily on focused practice. Start with one language such as Python for 6 to 12 weeks. Use interactive tutorials and build small projects. Begin by learning syntax, variables, functions, and control flow. Read short explanations and immediately type examples. Track 100 hours of active coding for basic fluency and break topics into 20 to 30-minute sessions. Choose a simple first project like a calculator or text parser to apply each new concept and keep momentum. Pick projects that solve a small real problem. Break features into tasks of 30 to 90 minutes. Use version control with Git and commits every change. Plan project scope. Limit to 3 core features, sketch inputs and expected outputs, then implement one feature at a time. Test frequently and fix bugs immediately so learning is reinforced. Share code on GitHub and solicit feedback. Reading other people's code accelerates understanding and reveals practical patterns. Study debugging techniques and read error messages carefully. Learn one testing tool and write basic tests for functions. Join a study group or code review once per week. Cultivate a habit of explaining your code aloud or in comments to reveal hidden assumptions. This improves clarity and retention. Balance learning new concepts with revisiting fundamentals like data structures and algorithms. Set weekly goals, measure progress in completed tasks, and allow iterative improvements rather than seeking perfection on the first attempt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.